to you. Now, today I am at the Boon Hall Oasis, and it's a beautiful place here in St. Andrew to hang out with you and your family. Now, I've been here once, but what I understand is that they moved the section where the Oasis was first, and now it's on the other side of the river. All right, so I'm gonna show you how beautiful it is today. I'm telling you, it feels so good to be out in the open and to enjoy all of nature. And you know I'm like that, right? Love nature. Okay, so I'm gonna show you around so you can see. This is what the entrance looks like when you come in. Okay, that's the entrance there. Beautiful. All right, so now I am going to show you around. All right, so thanks for the love and the support. Hit up that like button and share your comments. Yeah, thank you for riding with me. All right, so when you come in, this is what you will see. Nice benches, and you'll have the river. You'll see the river. Beautiful place. You see the river. You can walk down to the river. This is what it looks like. Beautiful. It's a wonderful place to hang out with you and your family. All right, so I'm going to show you around a little bit more. So this is what it looks like. Wow, this is so beautiful. It's a nice place for your events, and you can rent this place as well for your special functions. All right, beautiful place for your functions. Look at this, so nice. And here we have a nice waterfall. It's pretty. I like it here. I really like it here. Wow. Beautiful. So this is what it looks like. It's really an oasis. A little spot to get away. Right here, see a nice little opening by the river. And you can go down in the river, and I'm gonna go down right now. wonderful day. The rain is coming down, but it was a wonderful experience, you know, by the river, just sitting and enjoying, walking. And they also have a place that you can rent to do wonderful occasions like birthday parties or weddings. Yes, so you guys should take a visit to the Boon Hall Oasis. It's really nice. It's really nice. So see right here, they had a wedding right there. Yes, they had a wedding right there. But the rain is here. Wow! It's nice. Woo, woo. It's wonderful. Nice to be in the open enjoying the rain. All right, guys, so take care until next time for the next video.